outsider, syempre 'di ba kasi outside the company nga, I had to rely on the team members like yung availability nila. Syempre ako talaga yung mag-a-adjust kasi kumbaga kung kailan lang sila available mag-meet, so doon lang kami mag-uusap. So of course, I needed the data. So, maraming follow-ups, ganyan, maraming mga follow-through while working on the project. And this project was being done on top of their BAU pa, yung normal nilang ginagawa. So, di ba, hindi ako pwedeng basta-basta ano doon, demand. So, at first, it was not a priority for them. And then I had to get their buy-in to cooperate. Kasi syempre nga, di ba, since hindi siya yung pinaka-core task ng mga tao, so kailangan talaga kukunin nyo yung buy-in. And it's really important yung collaboration talaga is para to know the communication style of each member para you can adjust din. And then aside from this, I made